Hi and good day everyone, it's Grizz. I'm in the garage and at long last I'm going to bring you that video I know you've all been waiting for. It's the sound off. It's the comparison between the standard exhaust system on a 2008 Hayabusa and a 4:1 Akrapovic exhaust system. It's had a lot of work done to it. Have a quick look just to refresh our memory. That's some of the things that I'd done. God, it was a lot of work. It took me 4 months, but it was worth it. It's great now. I'm really happy with it. Let's have a look at what I did. Oh shit. Right, so now I've set up the bike, set up the garage in the same way it was in that first original video. Let me play you now a clip of the standard exhaust system, that big old mofo exhaust system, and then I can start the bike up with the Akrapovic on. We can have a listen and we can get some sound measurements. Right, so here is the clip of this bike. Remember again, it's a 2008 completely standard exhaust system. The bike is actually completely standard in this. There is no performance air filter or anything like that. So what you're listening to is a real standard 2008 Hayabusa. Let's have a listen. Right, so also a few other facts before I do start it up. The standard system weighed 19.7 kilograms, so its best part 20 kilo. And yeah, it's really very heavy. On tick over, it was pumping out 82.2 decibels. And I just pushed it up to 2,500 revs and got 84.2 decibels. Now the Akrapovic system, the 4:1 exhaust system, that weighs what was it, 5.6 kilograms. So yeah, it's a lot lighter. It is actually over 14 kilograms lighter, and you really feel the difference on the bike between having that big cumbersome standard exhaust system and this Akrapovic system. It also looks pretty good as well, doesn't it? So yeah, right, let's get it started. Starter up. So first of all, I'm going to do a sound measurement just on tick over, and then I'm going to take it up to 2,500 revs and measure that again, and then I might just rev it up a bit for you guys. I don't know if it pops or bangs actually. I don't think it does, but we're going to see. Let's start it up. Let's do it. decibels. It's nearly 10 decibels louder. So let's jump it up now to 2,500 revs. See what we're getting then. Cover your ears. Right, now all my neighbours hate me, but hopefully you enjoyed that. So the numbers are in, and the standard system at 2,500 revs made, what was it, 84.2 decibels, and the full Akrapovic system 4:1 makes 101.9. So it's nearly, what is that, 101.9 versus 84. So a bit, isn't it? You know, it's different. What is it, 7 decibels? 7 or so, something like that. Put the answer up on the screen, Grizz. Stop making yourself look stupid. Right, so that is the difference basically. Shame I didn't actually rev it much on that first video to give you a kind of a bit more of a sound comparison, but that's what we got. Anyway, I hope you like it. I think it could be a bit louder. I think it could be a bit meaner, a bit more raspier. I recall my first Gen 1 Hayabusa being a bit more meaner than that, but maybe this big old exhaust has got quite a lot of wadding in it and quieting it down a bit more. I'm half tempted to chuck a little stubby exhaust on there, but I'm also quite liking the look of the Akrapovic exhaust, and I put a lot of work into it as well, and I don't particularly want to sell it. Anyway, join me over on the bench for a bit of a chat. I've just done the calculations, and on tick over it's 9.7 decibels louder, and when I blipped it up and held the revs at 2,500 revs, it was actually 17.7 decibels louder, which is quite a big difference. So yeah, that is your difference. What it's going to be like out on the road, it's probably going to get even louder, isn't it, when I get up into that red line. Yeah, so let's wait for that one. So that's it really. That's your difference. That's your sound difference. I hope you liked the sound of Bertha as she is now. I've got lots of work to do. I've been really busy, but yeah, I've got lots of stuff going on. I've got to do next a service on Taffy's bike. New brakes, going to give her brakes a good going over. From the standpoint of her bike as well, when we were out riding last, when she just had the new tyres fitted, yeah, here's a short clip of what I think might have also caused the problem. Let's have a look. So we're just riding along, and basically Taffy kind of wraps open the throttle quickly closes it and then wraps it open again, which made the front end kind of swerve around a bit. Yeah, did she hit a bump or not? I'm not really sure, but yeah, that might have been part of what she was feeling. I think there was also some dodgy fuel in there as well. She's had a fuel up since and it is better, but I am going to give the bike a service. Money is a little bit tight at the moment because Taffy is also on still on furlough. So yeah, I've got some bits here, and yeah, that's going to take care of the service. I've also got a service at Ducati. I've just bought an ABBA stand as well, second hand, and I've got a kit for the Ducati, but I've also got to get one for the Kawasaki, because I'm going to fit these lowering links slightly lower for Taffy. So yeah, hopefully this weather is going to brighten up. It looks a bit better, and we're going to get out and start having some fun out on the road, and a bit more servicing bits and pieces going on with the bike, or the bike should I say. I also want to say a massive thank you to everyone that has helped me along the way. A massive thanks to Rob on Twitter, to Chris on Twitter, to RNG, to Fuchs Silkaline. Guys, you have been so generous, massively generous. You've all been super generous. To all of our patrons, again, massively generous. I really do appreciate it, and without your help I wouldn't have been able to complete this build. And yeah, I do massively appreciate all of your help without kind of going on and on about it. Yeah, it's been huge, and yeah, I've been really taken back by it, by all your support. So that's enough. Next video, let's get out on the road, have some fun, and start enjoying Bertha after all that hard work. Thank you for watching, everyone. Catch you on the next one. See ya. Bye.